Seniors, fellow friends and ছোট ভাইস, আমি আবার এসেছি অনেকদিন পর। ব্লিংকসেট তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ তোমরা। আজকে আমরা টিডিএম খেলবো, টিডিএম ব্রো। আই এম মোটো লেডিস, তো সবাই এনজয় করো। আমি হালকা পাতলা খেলা শিখছি, পারি না যদিও, ডোন্ট মাইন্ড। আমি আজকে M7 দিয়ে খেলবো। এই এত সময় লাগে না লুডোতে। Why does it so I want to make this a very much sophisticated English commentary playing games. Yeah, I know I am very much expert, don't mind me. So if I get a win, I will surely. Okay, I'm lagging a lot, very much. I think because of the game, I mean because of the recording I'm doing. Oh my god, one ah. Okay, he got my assist, very beautiful. I will just disturb my teammates a little. I hope they don't mind. Oh my god. Make it. Oh my god. They are very good players, I think. I am assuming I will get minimum 5 kills. I will not disappoint you guys. Oh, there is one there. Thank you. One more. Okay. Good play. These people are good players. They learn from me. The last video I couldn't talk too much, so today I will talk a lot. So if it is disturbing, please like it. Okay. Don't. Oh shit, I'm gonna kiss. Hey man, 111 damage, but he don't die. Just race it past it. Okay. But it is not going to damage anyone. Oh my god, this shroud guy is my enemy. It is pretty fair calling. I am too much professional, okay? Hey, there was an enemy beside me. Okay. Come on, get. Hey, don't shoot. Hey, what the fuck? Okay, my ping is high. It is very much entertaining now. Very much ping high. Shit. What do I do now? I don't. Okay, so no copyright, please. Hey, I also want to give a shout out to my friend Mortal X Soul PUBG name, but real name Fardin Ibn Alam, for sponsoring this video. 20 grand, very kindful guy, but that 20 grand cannot fix my ping, so I will have to play with this ping for now. Okay, this video is going to be very long. Wow. Hey. Hey, I am not getting kills, man. I'm really sad. I am getting less kills than before. Right. All because, by the way guys, I am going to get a PC tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so I will be using my PC to play and record both. Oh my god, our teammate very beautiful. He kill us all with one bomb. Oh, very beautiful, very beautiful. Sexy. Hey. There was a person beside me. Please, let us win. নাইলে আবার এই ভিডিও এত কষ্ট করে বানায় কোনো লাভ হইল না। Yeah. Hey, by the way, guys, I know a little bit Hindi too, so I will be sometimes speaking Hindi for you guys' entertainment, very good entertainer. Oh, yo, bro, my teammate all bot. Yo, bro, thank you for watching. Oh, nice dress, I like it. Thank you for watching. Please like if you like it, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Thank you very much. Good. Recording off.